Avalanche value equivalent to $62.534 a coin. The present exchange cost range $55.665, $65.676. The earlier day close $58.734. The change was plus 3.800, plus 682%. Converse rate US to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for June 2024. At the outset cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs 12, while lows 9. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.11, change for June 2%. US to Avax expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 0.11 coins. Excessive costs 11, while lows 9. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.10, change for July 1%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for August 2024. To start with cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.10, while lows 8. The found the middle value of cost 9. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends 8, change for August 20%. US to Avax expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs freight, while lows 7. The found the middle value of cost 8. The US to Avax figure toward the month's ends 7, change for September 5%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for October 2024. To start with cost at 0.7 coins. Exorbitant costs 8, while lows under 7. The found the middle value of cost 27. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.7, change for October 0%. US to Avax expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.7 coins. Exorbitant costs 7, while lows 6. The found the middle value of cost 7. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 0.7, change for November 0%. Initially cost at 0.7 coins. Excessive costs per 7, while lows 6. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 7. The US to Avax figure toward the month's ends 0.7, change for December 0%. US to Avax expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 0.7 coins. Excessive costs 7, while lows 6. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends rate 7, change for January 0%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for February 2025. In the first place cost at 0.7 coins. Exorbitant costs to 7, while lows 6. The found the middle value of cost 0.7. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends 0.6, change for February 14%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 0.6 coins. Excessive costs 7, while lows 6. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.6. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 0.6, change for spring 0%. US to Avax expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 0 to 6 coins. Exorbitant costs 6, while lows 5. The found the middle value of costs 6. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.6, change for May 0%. US to Avax expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.5 coins. Exorbitant costs 5, while lows 5. The found the middle value of cost 5. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 0.5, change for July 0%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2025. Initially cost at 0.5 coins. Excessive costs 6, while lows 5. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 6. The US to Avax figure toward the month's ends 6, change for August 20%. US to Avax expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.6 coins. Excessive costs 6, while lows at 5. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 0.5, change for September 7%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for October 2025. US to Avax expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at 0.6 coins. Exorbitant costs 7, while lows 6. The found the middle value of cost 7. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends 7, change for November 7%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for December 2025. Initially cost at 0.7 coins. Excessive costs are in 7, while lows as 5. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 6. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends on 6, change for December 14%. As to Avax expectation for January 2026, at the outset cost at 0 to 6 coins. Excessive costs are in 8, while lows are at 6. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 27. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends by 7, change for January 7%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for February 2026. Initially cost at 0 and 7 coins. Excessive costs per 9, while lows are at 7. The arrived at the midpoint of cost end to 8. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 1.8, change for February 14%. OS to Avax expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 0 and 8 coins. Excessive costs 11, while lows are 8. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.9. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.10, change for spring 25%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for April 2026. OS to Avax expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs 1.9, while lows under 7. The found the middle value of cost 1.8. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.8, change for May 11th 1%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2026. In the first place cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs 11, while lows 9. The found the middle value of cost are 10. The OS to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.10, change for July 11th 1%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2026. Before all else cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive costs are 10, while lows into 8. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.9. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 1.9, change for August 10%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for October 2026. Initially cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs 9, while lows on 7. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.8. The OS to Avax figure toward the month's ends 1.8, change for October 1%. OS to Avax expectation for November 2026. At the outset cost at 0 and 7 coins. Excessive costs run 7, while lows min 6. The arrived at the midpoint of cost to 7. The OS to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 1.6, change for December 14%. OS to Avax expectation for January 2027. At the outset cost at 0.6 coins. Exorbitant costs 8, while lows minus 6. The found the middle value of cost onto 7. The OS to Avax gauge toward the month's ends by 7, change for January 7%. Before all else cost